A father said to his daughter, "You graduated with honors. Here is a car that I acquired many years ago. It is several years old. But before I give it to you, take it to the used car lot downtown and tell them I want to sell it and see how much they offer you." The daughter went to the used car lot, returned to her father and said, "They offered me $1,000 because it looks very worn out." The father said, "Take him to the pawn shop." The daughter went to the pawn shop, returned to her father and said, "The pawn shop offered $100 because it was a very old car." The father asked his daughter to go to a car club and show them the car. The daughter took the car to the club, returned and told her father, "Some people in the club offered $100,000 for it since it is a Nissan Skyline R34, an iconic car and sought after by many." The father said to his daughter, "I wanted you to know that the right place values you the right way. If you are not valued, do not be angry. It means you are in the wrong place. Those who know your value are those who appreciate you. Never stay in a place where no one sees your value.